One bolt, one oil filter. All right, you guys ready? So this, I believe, is a 17. I lied. I'm gonna try a 15. We got a 15. Okay, cool. All right. Now, if you guys have ever seen a chocolate fountain, same concept. Okay. All right. So loosen the nut. Gotta get like a little bit of elbow grease. You hear that little click? There we go. We are loose. Okay. Now, best part about this. You want to give it a quick. See, I still got myself. Damn it. That's all right. No worries. There's the chocolate fountain, guys. Okay, so you want to let that drain into the drain in here. That is pretty black, which means it is definitely time for an oil change. 100%. So, that's just the nature of the beast. So what you want to do is you want to clean up the hole, anything around it, because when you screw this nut back on, you want it to be tight as shit, so that way you have no oil leaks at all. See, there's going to be oil that comes out, period. So you have to start the nut. That blocks any oil from coming out. Then you want to clean up the area real good. See? No oil. Okay? Just tighten this all the way up. Nice and snug. Tightening wrench on. Test. There you go, nice and tight. No oil's going anywhere. A little last drop. All right, awesome. Now, the oil filter. That's where this boy comes in. If you guys don't have one, this is made by HyperTough. You can get this at Walmart, Advance Auto, AutoZone. This is for your oil filter, okay? You want to get a good grip on it. And then start turning counterclockwise. Now, mine might be difficult because I kind of let the oil change go a little bit. So this oil filter may be stuck. Find out. Nope, there we go. Alright, cool. That's a good sign. Now, the same thing with the oil filter, because the oil's coming from the top. You see that? Already on my wrist. The oil's coming from the top, which means you cannot, there's no way of avoiding getting oil on your hands when you do. See that? When you do the oil filter. Oh. You want to take, you can either take some of the new oil or some of the old oil. Put it on your finger, wipe it around this gasket. May take a couple, may take whatever. Wipe it around the gasket, then take your finger, wipe it around the ring up top, This just gives it a tighter, lubricated seal. Because if you just do it rubber to rubber, you could have a leak. Okay, so then we're going to screw the oil filter in. Might take a couple turns for you to get the right angle. Here we go, got it. Awesome, that is tightened to my